Hey guys, I'm back for another SwitchBot product review. Today we are going to check out the SwitchBot Humidifier and the SwitchBot Meter. Both of these products can work together to maintain the perfect temperature for your home. Let's check it out. So this is the SwitchBot Humidifier. It's a 3.5 liter smart humidifier with a ton of cool features. Let's walk through the physical device first. At the top is the removable lid. This is where you fill it up with water. It's got a fairly wide opening, which will help with easy refilling and also cleaning up the insides of the humidifier. The lid can also be rotated easily, giving you better control for the mist direction. There's a single button below for you to switch between modes, and at the side you'll find a small container insert for the essential oils. I'm using eucalyptus oil. Oh, not to forget, this is how you insert the provided ceramic filter. This will help filter out some bacteria and sediment from the water, giving you cleaner mist and making the device last longer than other humidifiers. That's a quick look around the device. Now let's jump into the app. Once you tap on the humidifier, you have 3 quick actions. You can power it on or off, set the mode to auto, or use one of the preset modes. By the way, you can easily do these functions as well just by pressing the button on the humidifier. Let's click more to explore further. At the top, you have the same controls as before. Atomization efficiency correlates to the setting you choose for the humidifier. You can set it manually too with the slider. Delay is for setting a timer to start, and schedules is for your detailed scheduling. I'm glad to see that you have an option to turn off the lights and sound. The lights are not that bright, but in case it disturbs your sleep, then you can easily switch it off. There are further settings when you click the settings icon on the top right. At the top, you can change the device name. Advanced settings shows you your connectivity. Cloud service is where you can set up scenes, voice assistants, and further automations. Turn on the humidifier. The next 4 settings are pretty self-explanatory. So that's it for the app. It's feature-packed but simple enough to use, and most importantly, it's not mandatory to use to function the humidifier. Now, if it's not obvious enough by now, besides being a great humidifier, the smart features such as detailed scheduling and app controls take this humidifier a step further compared to other brands out there. These are excellent quality of life add-ons to the humidifier. I especially like setting up schedules. For example, I have the humidifier run for about an hour at midday just to add a bit more humidity into our room because we're just working at home in a small enclosed space with aircon on. Besides that, the scent of the essential oil can also create a more calm and positive environment. Not to forget that the device is relatively quiet as well, so it definitely won't be disturbing your work or sleep. Some of the humidifiers that I've used in the past would make the surrounding area wet because the mist doesn't shoot high up enough. This can be a problem if the humidifier is placed near some electronics or furniture that cannot come into contact with moisture. Thankfully, the SwitchBot Humidifier mist can go up to 60 cm, and paired with the taller body, you won't find any moisture on the surface surrounding the area. So that's it about the SwitchBot Humidifier. Now let's not forget about the SwitchBot Meter. It's a small little device that is extremely accurate at measuring the temperature and humidity of your space. The back is magnetic, so you can easily stick it to any metal surface. If you don't have a suitable surface, SwitchBot has included a sticker with a magnet that you can place on most surfaces. As mentioned at the start of the video, these 2 products can work together to maintain the perfect temperature of your home. The SwitchBot Meter can be placed anywhere in the house, and it can send very accurate temperature and humidity data to your smart humidifier. Now let's quickly get back to the app. Once you click on the meter, you are immediately greeted by the meter history. You can set a specific timeline, and the data here is stored up to 36 days. If you click the settings icon at the top right, you can see more features such as desired conditions, which are technically the alerts. Next, you can calibrate the meter in case you think the readings are wrong. You will need to compare it against a device that you think is accurate. We've already seen cloud service in the previous app demo, and the last 2 settings are self-explanatory. With the voice assistant pairing, you can easily use Google, Siri, or Alexa to find out the temperature or humidity of a specific room. What is the room status? I know what you guys are thinking. The SwitchBot Humidifier has a similar sensor built in. Well, yes, but the SwitchBot meter is something you place all over your house for monitoring, and it just so happens that it can work together with the SwitchBot humidifier. The SwitchBot meter is a very simple device if you want to understand your space better. For me, I've placed this on my fridge door because it easily mounts thanks to the built-in magnets. Now I can quickly glance to know the temperature and humidity when I get back home. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions about these two products, just drop me a comment below. Purchase links, as always, will be included in the description box below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys for the next SwitchBot product review video, which is coming soon. Bye.